not Smitty.
Now the guy's gonna be like, why did he foot me?
You go walk up to him.
The guy's like, why did I flip me off?
I was like,
Smitty.
is your name Smitty? He was like, no. I was like, oh, I thought you were somebody else.
Run.
Did he have a deep voice?
What?
Did he have a deep voice?
I wasn't paying attention to his voice.
It's not.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
It's
He
not.
walked up to his mom's trailer over that way.
Does Smitty have a goatee?
Yeah.
No, he doesn't. Not anymore.
Not again. Now it looks.
Did he have a big gap between his teeth?
I don't know. I wasn't looking at his features.
Who would pay attention to somebody's teeth?
That was pretty good. That was to him because
It's not him. Just shut up.
he lived right next door to
Go
Smitty.
walk up to him and ask him.
Maybe he's true. You never know.
Don't knock on the door when we're done.
He probably got a warrant. That's probably why he was
Really?
off.
It's 3 kids. Stop it.
So. He's saying that probably ain't supposed to.
Take a pic.
He's not a stranger. You know him.
You don't know who Smitty
Even more
is?
strange.
No.
Chad and Brittany's. Hangs out at Chad's house. His name's John.
I've been there forever.
Well, he's been there before.
I've never met him.
How much post?
You guys, watch out.
Yeah, get off the road so you don't get ran down.
Boom.
So somebody actually got ran over last night?
Yeah,
Over here?
down there
Down on 67.
on Beltway.
Wow.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, this is probably. Oh wow.
Like,
If that's not Smitty, it's not whoever you're talking about.
No, that kid looks like Lace.
Oh.
no shit, he's bad.
2 minutes. I recorded 3 minutes.
I have a 7-minute one. This is my second video.
I know.
You guys are cool.
Of course I am. It's going on YouTube.
Fireworks. I wonder.
Milan firework display.
You gonna look at the Macy's?
You can go in Hunter's house.
Yeah, you work on yourself. Ask Lisa.
Boom.
Alien attack. Hear that.
Boom.
Or you need to come out to the house sometime.
Yeah.
Go swimming, jump on a trampoline. You got a big pool.
The pool was like 90 degrees today. The water burnt me.
He took the cover off his. My brother did. The cover on theirs, they took it off. It was 120 degrees.
But what, the water was?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
the cover is like pizza hot.
That water burnt me when I jumped in.
That's why I told you. I put my hand in it and I was like, whoa. That's
I was like, it's probably just hot at the top. Jumped in, I was like, oh! Oh, that was cool.
Hey, you got a sauna. You got a hot tub.
A hot tub, big hot tub
It's a
now.
little too hot.
Oh, that was a bug or something. Oh, it's on you, Jim. Oh,
You about made me drop my iPod.
that killed it. You got a June bug on you. That was what was on your back. Huh?
Why should it black iPod?
Yeah, when you did that, it flew out.
Yeah.
Wow, the white one's better.
Mine's way better than yours.
Mine's cracked. If it wasn't, mine would be way better.
They do like when did you get yours?
Christmas. I bought it.
I got mine's on my birthday.
I bought mine with my Christmas
Day
money.
before my birthday.
Oh, my battery's gonna die.
I got a charger in there, dude.
I know, but I can't record it from and
No,
shooting at him. That seemed like that was really good. Oh god, it just stopped recording.
But all that was cool was red, white, and blue.
Yeah, no, that's what they do. Like they have like short fireworks. Wow. Whoa,
That was big. It almost took up the whole screen.
Flip it over here. Bigger.
Wow, that was cool.
That was.
Oh, I'm not gonna be able to see this one.
What happens if one just goes into space? Never.
Satellites just start flying down, crushing cars.
Oh my god, screwed.
Catch me!
Sorry, guys. Oh, that was crazy.
Somebody needs to start playing Katy Perry. If I had that song, I would so play it. Mom,
No.
go turn on the car. I'm pretty sure they're playing Katy Perry right now.
How do you know?
Fireworks.
Baby!
This is the Katy Perry song, Fireworks.
I would probably download that song.
That song's cool. Katy Perry's a beast.
For Lady Gaga.
Boom.
For Lady Gaga's a whole different story. Half man,
She's a
half
freak.
woman. Nah. No sir. How do you know your battery could die?
It said 20% battery life a minute ago.
Well, that's right. I'm your backup camera, dude.
Well, are you
had
putting this on YouTube? I am. Putting this on YouTube, Facebook, MySpace, Twitter. Well, I don't have MySpace, but
You have a Twitter? Seriously?
yeah. My yearbook, everything. Going on every social network there is. Gonna put this on Vlog.
Kayak.com.
Yeah, Kayak isn't a blogging website. It's where you go and find hotels. And a bang, bow, boom.
Yeah, but you like send your friend make sure look at your friend list too. How many friends do you have?
I just went and deleted a lot. I only got like 40 now.
I have like 88, I believe.
I had like 100 and I went through and deleted most of them.
Yeah, Zach Kessler has an Xbox. Did you know that?
I'm about to go kick his butt. I'm not that good.
He usually, dude, he rarely gets on it.
I used to be on like every day.
Do you have like a mic? So Logan's name is just C4?
Go fast.
C4
Go fast. We'll watch him
C4
go.
and after. If you want to find him, just go to my
Go
friends
fast.
list.
We'll watch you. Go fast.
Here after the parks,
I'm going to add you once. I'm going to add you once I get home.
Abby. Girlfriend?
No, I'm going to add.
Yeah, but just let me know, just tell me, I'll type in your gamer tag and I'll just send you and Logan our friend list.
It wasn't Smitty.
But he don't go by Smitty. His name's not Smitty. That's what everybody calls him.
He wouldn't know.
Yeah.
He probably got a warning.
Stop.
So, we're 3 kids. Who would have been like, nope, I'm not Smitty.
Yeah, but
He had a
people in the
warrant.
trailer
They're not
park.
going to call him Smitty. Moron.
And they're not going to send 3
Went
kids.
over there. Your name Josh Smith Soros. Then he would have ran away. That's what you should have told Max.
We are the FBI. Yeah.
They're the FBI.
We've been getting complaints about you and
And your family.
your family. So yeah,
Locked up.
yeah. So we're going to take you in for a while.
You are fast. I see you.
All right, Chris.
You see me on my bike. That's why I'm here.
I rode my bike
You
for
are
like
fast.
a
Ever.
couple hours.
I see.
I was dying earlier. I was riding my bike, it was so hot, I was like,
I need Xbox.
No, I was like, I need water. Jumped in, drank like 4 cups.
That's why I get ready.
Tried to get in the pool, but it was like 90 degrees. I was like, oh, God.
It's water. Just get it.
It was hotter than
I'm gonna have to
outside,
leave
though.
the cover off. That means you guys are gonna have to clean it when you guys get in it.
I don't care. As long as it's not 90 degrees again.
Not tonight. I'm not talking about tonight.
I'm talking about cleaning the pool.
Are you serious? Probably maybe tomorrow night. Maybe somebody can come over. Friday, I don't know. Maybe over the weekend. Maybe over the weekend I'll set up. I'll get the tiki torches loaded up. Let some people stay all night.
Yeah. It's almost close to.
Angel, yep, this
We
weekend.
gotta go. No, the 14th.
Bang.
Not this weekend, next weekend.
My arm's getting tired. Is yours?
Kevin said it was
That's why I kept switching.
Tell me the 14th.
Yeah, it's good.
Pow.
Anthony Angel's gonna rock his
And I'm gonna die laughing.
Boom.
I'm gonna squat down.
You could do that. Bang, pow, boom.
Yeah.
pretty good.
That was big.
Depends on where they're at. If they're down at the community
It
center,
doesn't
we'll
matter.
go down there.
What?
We're going.
No, not if it's at the community center. There's no
That was it.
Nowhere tonight. We're going home. We're definitely not going to a water park.
You're not
At night.
anywhere. Yeah, you're not swimming.
Fall, break your head open. Can't see nobody.
I mean, the water wouldn't be running, but you still got on the slide.
Just sleep there. Water turns on.
I'd be scared if the water just turned on out of nowhere.
So what kind of songs do you have in your iPhone?
It's got my kind of music.
I got my kind of music too.
It's got
I got Eminem. Black and Yellow. Tonight is the night. We are young.
And the phone's bugging me. I don't need you helping. Hey, child.
I got D12, TI, Yellow Wolf, and ICP.
Do you have Black and Yellow?
Me fucking
Shoot 'em. Just shoot them all at once, people. Come on.
The finale is not going to be for a little bit more. I mean, we've been recording for like, what, 20 minutes now?
You record about 8 minutes.
I've got 13 minutes on this one and 6 on my other video.
Yeah, it's because like my because like I actually stopped recording.
Wow. That was
Boom!
Woo!
Indulge in
This
marijuana
should be
smog.
used. This should be used in a music video. Woo! Woo!
I can't wait till
Fireworks on the
August.
street. Why?
So I'm about to get like 4 CDs. Oh, here we go, grand finale.